welcome my dear students. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIBS Home School. This is Sonia Khanjoya, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Monship, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an English language class for the student of class 2 student. And our today's topic, lesson 7, exercise 2 and 3. Look at the board, my dear students. This is class 2, subject English language, and your today's topic, lesson 7, exercise 2 and 3, lecture number 5, and your homework number 5, term, annual term. And this is your teacher Sonia Khanjoya, and this is my mobile number, and this is today's date. So my dear students, let's start out today's topic. Look at the board, my dear students. Our today's topic, lesson 7, was and where. Read the conversation. Where were you all yesterday? I was at my grandmother's house. We were at my uncle's farm. There were many dogs on the farm. We had a horse ride too. My mother, my brother and I were at Opughar. We had lots of fun. So here is a teacher. She was asking many questions, and the students, they were answering answer many way. Then we use was or were to talk about someone or something in the past. Again I am saying we use was or were to talk about someone or something in the past. So we use was or were in the past time. We use was when we talk about one person or thing. We use was when one person or one thing. We use were when we talk about more than one person or thing. Then we use were more than one person or thing. So let's start out today's topic, exercise number 2 and exercise number 3. So exercise number 2 is complete these sentences with is, are, was or were. Again I am saying complete these sentences with is, are, was or were. So for number 1 sentence, where is Jack today? Where is Jack today? So we use is because today is present time. Today indicates present time. That's why we use is. And Jack, here is only one person, Jack. That's why we use here is. Number 2, where was Jack yesterday? Where was Jack yesterday? So yesterday indicates past time. Yesterday indicates past time, so that we used here was. Where was Jack yesterday? And Jack is only one person, so that we use was. Number 3, I was at home yesterday afternoon. Here is the same way. Yesterday indicates past time. Yesterday indicates past time, and here I was at home yesterday afternoon. Number 4, what day is it today? What day is it today? Here is the same way. Today indicates present time. Today indicates present time. That's why we used here is verb. Number 5, what day was it yesterday? What day was it yesterday? So here yesterday indicates past time. That's why we used here was verb. Then number 6, where are they today? Where are they today? Here today indicates present time, and they indicates more than one person. They indicates more than one person. That's why we use here are verb. Here are 2 rules, that today indicates present times and they indicates more than one person. That's why we use here are. So Today, sorry, 6. Where are they today? Where are they today? Then number 7. Where were they last week? Where were they last week? Here, last week means past time. Here, last week means past time, and they indicates more than one person. More than one person. So we used here where verb. Where were they last week? Where were they last week? Then number 8. We are not in school now. We are not in school now. Here now indicates present time. Here now indicates present time. That's why we used here are. We used here are, and we indicates more than one person. So we write here we are not in school now. So again I am saying, where is Jack today? Today indicates present time. So we used here is verb. Number 2. Where was Jack yesterday? So Jack indicates past time. So we write here was. Where was Jack yesterday? Then number 3. I was at home yesterday afternoon. Here afternoon indicates past time. So we write here I was at home yesterday afternoon. Number 4. What day is it today? Here today indicates present time. So that we write here is verb. Number 5. What day was it yesterday? Yesterday here indicates past time. Past time. So write here was. Was verb. What day was it? Yesterday. Number 6. Where are they today? So today indicates present time. That's we write here are. Where are they today? Number 7. Where were they last week? Last week indicates past time. So we write here where. Where were they last week? Number 8. We are not in school now. Here now indicates present time. That's why we write here are. We are not in school now. Our next exercise number 3. Complete this paragraph with is, are, was or were. This exercise same as exercise number 2. Again I am saying complete this paragraph with is, are, was or were. Rahul and Rohit are at home in Kolkata now. So Rahul and Rohit, here are more than 2 persons. Rahul are and Rohit, they are plural, and now is present time. Present time. So here we write are. Rahul and Rohit are at home in Kolkata now. So we write here are because of Rahul and Rohit plural from and now is present time. Then number 2. They were on holiday in Nainital last week. They were on holiday in Nainital last week. Here last week indicates past time. Here last week indicates past time, and they means plural from more than one person. So we write here were verb. So we write here were verb. They were on holiday in Nainital last week. Number 3. It is very hot in Kolkata today. It is very hot in Kolkata today. So today indicates present from. Today indicates present from. So right here is verb. It is very hot in Kolkata today. So right here is verb because today indicates present time. Then number 4. It was cool in Nainital last week. So here last week indicates past time. Yes, my dear students, here last week indicates past time. So we write here was verb. It was cool in Nainital last week. Number 5. Rahul and Rohit were happy last week. Rahul and Rohit were happy last week. So Rahul and Rohit are plural and last week means past time. So we write here where. We write here where because of Rahul and Rohit plural and last week indicates past form. So we write here where verb. And our last exercise is they are sad now. They are sad now. Here now represent or now indicates present time. Now indicates present time and they indicates plural. So they means more than one person. So we write here are verb. They are sad now. Again I am saying Rahul and Rohit are at home in Kolkata now. Now indicates present and Rahul and Rohit plural. So here answer is are. They were on holiday in Nainital last week. Here last week indicates past time and they indicates plural. So answer is were. It is very hot in Kolkata today. Today means present time. So right here is verb. It was cool in Nainital last week. So last week indicates past from or past time. So right here was number 5. Rahul and Rohit were happy last week. Here last week means past time and Rahul and Rohit plural. So right here were verb. They are sad now. Now indicates present time. So right here are. So my dear students, our today's topic exercise 2 and exercise 3 and your homework number 5 and your exercise number 2. Your exercise number 2, this is your homework. Exercise 2 will your homework. Exercise 2 will your homework. This is your homework. Exercise 2 and your homework number 5, exercise number 2. So my dear students, I hope all of you students understood today's topic. See you again inshallah.